my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Anna Ellie, and please don't leave here without subscribing. So what I have for you guys today is I'm going to be doing a review and demo on this pore cleaner here that I purchased on Wish for about $3. And it's just been kind of in the back of my mind, where does this actually work? So I just wanted to test it out for you guys in case you purchased it, or if you've seen it on Wish and you want to purchase it for yourself. So is this the hype or what? I mean, does it really work? And it says it sucks the, to clean out your pores or anything like that, that'll give you beautiful skin without squeezing or pulling, easy to use, easy to clean, and easy to maintain. So let's see if what they say is true about this. So if this is something that you would like to watch, then continue watching. Bye. Got the pore cleaner out of its packaging, and this is where you will be inserting your AA battery here. And all you do is just slide it down and it comes right off. And then you're just going to, of course, put your battery in with a negative, starting in with a negative, so it should look like that. And right away it started making that noise. And it's like this. So we're gonna start with that cup first. And then what I like about it, it also came with instructions. And I've already read it off camera, but it's just pretty much saying if you have sensitive skin like me, just don't overdo it and do not stay on one spot for too long. The most is about 1 minute to 3 minutes. And it also tells you about opening your pores up with water and stuff like that. And what else can I inform you guys that I don't? Bruising. This is I'm kind of scared of trying it, because that was one thing that I read was if you abuse it, you will get bruised. And so yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started on. And that's another thing, it doesn't hurt whatsoever. It might look like it hurt, but it doesn't hurt. Just don't stay in one place for too long. I'm going to show you, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like, you can see where it's just picking up all that yuck stuff in there. Mocos, or whatever you want to call that's in your nose, your pores. See it? I'm just going to be moving it around just so you can get a clear vision of it. Let me put this down. Lord. All right, now that we are done attacking our pores, now I'm just going to go ahead and talk about the pore cleaner, which is, I'm just going to give my honest opinion about it and pretty much just rate it and what I think about the product. And I don't want to say go and buy it, because I don't know if it might work for you or if it doesn't work for you, but it's totally up to you what you want to do. Just by going with my video and thinking if it works or if it doesn't work. But in my opinion, I think it does work in some of its ways, meaning it does clean some of your pores, just not too much as I think I would prefer. But the only thing I didn't like about it was that was pretty much, this is sensitive, and I wish it was more sensitive as it would stay on so I can work on my problem areas. and instead of felt like I was more it just felt like I was working more on trying to keep it on than to attack my pores. But I guess just playing around with it, you do kind of get the hang of it. But that's just my opinion. I just didn't like that part where I just felt like I have to keep pushing it up to keep it on and, you know, cleaning my area, my pores. But so yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and rate it, which is, I think I'm going to give it maybe a 6 on this, just because of that reason. I didn't like that I had to keep pushing it up to have it to pretty much just to keep it on so I can work on my pores. But I did like it that it did clean some of my nose. It does feel actually way smoother than before, that's for sure. And I mean, I can still see some pore clean. I just needed to do it again, but it says that you don't want to keep it on there for too long because that will cause bruising. So I mean, you know, it's just that, you know, I just wish it would just fully like vacuum my whole nose, like take out all the mocos inside there, you know, just get that deep cleaning. But it does clean it. So yeah, so this is pretty much the end of my review and pretty much my first impression. And if you want to go ahead and give this a try, go ahead. I mean, you have nothing to lose. I bought this for $3, so I mean, it's a no steal. So yeah, so this is pretty much the end of my video. And if you guys liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, share it, comment, like. But that is pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.